Good morning, all of you. Today, our topic is fabric cutting and spreading. In this, the last topic is advantage and disadvantage different types of knife cutting machines. There are so many different types of knife cuttings. First of all, we have to see that advantage of knife cutting. Advantage of knife cutting machines. Advantage of straight knife cutting machine. A large number of fabric layers can be cut by machine due to high length of knife and RPM of the motor. So productivity is very high. A large number of fabric layers means cut into machine due to high length and knife and RPM of the motor. So production is very high. Automatic grinding, automatic lubrication, comparatively cheap, suitable for straight line and curve line. Can be cut high curve line than round knife. Fabric can be cut from any angle. Disadvantages of knife cutting machine. Disadvantage of straight knife cutting machine. High speed of the machine causes any high risk of damage. Faulty knife could damage fabric layer. Motor weight creates knife deflection, which maybe creates faulty pieces. Risk in high for physical damage of operator. Knife required is to replace. So these are the disadvantages of straight knife cutting machines. Very high speed machines can cause high risk of damage, and faulty knife or damage of fabric is also very damage. And motor weight creates very knife deflections due to throw and flow motions of the difficulties. Risk is very high in physical damages, and knife required is replace. Advantage of round knife cutting machine. Advantage of round knife cutting machine. It is suitable for cutting single ply as well as multi-layer, say 20 to 30 layers. It is suitable for cutting single ply as well as multi-layer. Double layers and multi-layers are also possible in round hunting machines. 20 to 30 layers at a time we will cut, and easy to handle and easy to operate, and suitable for small scale cutting and suitable for gentle curve line cutting. To cut larger part of the garments with the same RPM, its efficiency is 10 times greater than the straight knife. Disadvantage of round knife cutting machine. Disadvantage of round knife cutting machines: very low RPM and knife height, and manual grinder is used. Low productivity since few number of lay can be cut. Difficult to cut small components and high curve line. Not suitable for large production. Lubrication is manually done. And for next band knife cutting machine, the advantage of band knife cutting machines in clothing industry means these type of cutting machines has a lot advantages which are mentioned in the below. Band knife cutting machine is suitable for any types of line. Band knife cutting machines is very useful for any types of lines. It has higher productivity for limited products. It is also suitable for cutting small parts of fabric. It is also suitable for cutting small parts of fabrics. In band knife cutting machine, automatic grinder grinds the knife instantly. It is used specially and it is suitable to cut very sharp curves. Band knife cutting machines cuts the fabric at 90 degrees angle of the lay. Accident possible is very low here. Here air blower helps to decrease the fabric weight, which ultimately increases the smooth movement of fabrics. Disadvantage of band knife cutting machines. Disadvantage of band knife cutting machines in ready-made garments are very huge damages are possible. Band knife cutting machines has also some disadvantages which are narrated in the following. Band knife cutting machine is comprised with a fixed space. Workload is higher, and here it is possible to cut the fabric directly from fabric lay. Running cost is higher. Fabric wastage is higher here. Band knife cutting machine is not suitable for large fabric components due to the short length of the table. And next, advantages of computer control cutting knives. Advantages of computer control cutting knives. The first advantage is very fast fabric cutting, very accurate cutting. Cutting speed could be varied. Cutting knife could be rotated and moved at any angle. Suitable for large scale production. No possibility of blade deflection. Blade sharpening is attached. Possibility of accident is very lower. The disadvantage of computer control cutting knives. Disadvantage of computer control cutting knives. Initial investment cost is very high. Maintenance cost is also very high. Skilled operator is very needed. Advantage and disadvantage of notcher machine. It is a special type of cutting machine and used in special case. Useful to cut small notch to the fabric. It is most useful to make consistency in notching. Disadvantage of notcher machine. Only used to make notch to the fabric. Thermoplastic fibers cannot cut by this machine. The use of machine is limited. A knife notcher is an upright, cylindrical device which cuts the side of block to be predetermined distance. Both straight notches and V notches are available. An alternative machine, the hot notcher, incorporates a heating element in order that the blade may slightly sarch the fibers adjacent to the notch in order to prevent it fraying and disappearing. This cannot be used with thermoplastic fibers or certain unlined garments. And this is the last advantages and disadvantages of laser cutting machine. Laser produces a beam of light which can be focused a very small swatches of 0.2 mm, producing a very high energy density. Means a light beam of which can be focused a very small swatches of 0.2 mm, producing a very high energy density. The energy produces a rapid increase in temperature on the cutting material, and thus cutting takes place by vaporization. This system includes a stationary glass, a cutting head and mirrors which reflects the laser beam to the cutting line. Band knives are also used when a higher standard of cutting accuracy is required when small parts such as collars, cuffs and pockets are cut. A template or metal or fiber board in the shape of pattern piece may be clamped to the section of lay on the top of the marker, then draw past the band knife, cutting exactly along the hard edge. A computer operator the entire system. The cutting speed is 13 mats. The speed of cutting is the speed of cutting is the speed of movement of carriage bearing the mirrors. So these are the different advantages and disadvantages of straight knife cutting machines. The straight knife cutting machine is very huge advantage and very less capable advantages, and it has a very automatical lubrications, comparatively very cheap than other knife cutting machines. And disadvantages are also very high machines and high risk damages and very high fabric damages. Risk is very high physically cooperators and knife will be replaced. And round knife, in round knife it is very easy to handle and easy to operate, and it is suitable for small scale cutting industries, and it is suitable for gentle curving line cutting, and it is cut the larger parts of the garments with the RPM efficiency is 10 times greater than the straight knife. And this is disadvantage also is very high, very low RPM and very time low. Labor cost is very high and low production, and lubrication is manually done. And band knife advantage in clothing industry is it is very specially curved shapes, collars, cuffs, parts of knife 90 degrees angles it will be used. And disadvantage, cutting directly fabric layers and running cost is very higher. And advantage of computer is very fast fabric cuttings, very accurate cutting speed also very high, and suitable for large scale industries also. No possibility for blade deflections, and blade sharpening also very high. Disadvantage in computer control cutting knives, initial investment is very high, maintenance cost is also very high, and very skilled persons is needed. And notches and laser treatment is also very advanced technologies. It is very special case will be used, and it is very consistency. And futures laser treatment is very high powerful damages, and it has a very accurate cutting of collars, cuffs, and hands and waists. It is depends upon the reflecting of light rays. Totally it is a superb advantage of laser cutting machines. It is a very accurate cutting, and mats, speeds, and very observances and mirrors, heads, and collars. Very accurate, and pocket is also very high influence. Band knives are also used when a higher standard of cutting accuracy is required. When small parts such as a collars, cuffs, pockets, a template or metal fiber board in the shape of pattern piece may be clamped in the section of lay on top of the marker. Okay, it is a very speed cutting machine. Thank you.